Tim? 2017 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. Stick shift, standard, whatever you want to call it. It's got the stock catalytic converters, factories. Then we left the resonator on it for now. And then it's strudel back into the back, and he ordered some pipes. Pipe bombs, they call them. Pipes bomb. Pipes bomb, you see it? If you guys want them, you will find the link in the description. A bolt-on kit, muffler delete, or muffler replacement. There's the two mufflers. They're resonated on the inside of the tip, as you guys can see in there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. You always want to tack the clamps when you install these, because they do rattle off after time. So when you tack them, they stay in place. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2018 Ford Mustang 5.0, 6-speed, manual. Still got the stock converters on it, right there, right there. Then it's got a custom X pipe on it. And then we did a muffler delete, right there, and right there. And we did blue flame tips, right there, and right there. Quad tips. There's the X pipe again. That's how you stripe pipe them. You need more. Needs a resonator taken out, that one in the middle. You need to cut it and put pipes in their place. Then this will be nice.
Take the resonator out.
Still sounds good with these though. Looks really good too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead, give it gas.